Hey, how's it going there, my friend? This is Jerome Shaw, creator of the Open Palm podcast here, coming at you with a message and a question. What would it be worth if you were to spend the next 30 days or the next 60 days or even the next 90 days working on one thing? Would it be worth not having to work for the rest of your life? If you were to go 90 days doing something out of the ordinary, something completely unorthodox, something way beyond your comfort zone, if you were willing to step outside of that comfort zone into your discovery zone for the next 90 days and do something every single day for 90 days, would it be worth it to not have to work for the rest of your life? Would it be worth it to be financially free, to be financially independent, to be financially confident, right? To where no matter what happens, come what may, a family member is sick or in the hospital, you can take care of it. A pandemic is loose out in the world. You can handle it, right? You're not sweating it. Come what may, any natural disasters, anything that comes your way, you're not sweating. Would it be worth it to go 90 days doing something for every single day so that the rest of your life you'd be taken care of? I'm asking you, take that chance for yourself. Consistency breeds excellence. Consistency is the DNA of mastery. Excellence is not an act, but it is a habit, for we are what we repeatedly do. So, every expert was once a beginner. Like a wise man told me, success all begins with the second letter. Success begins with you, my friend. So take this as a message for you today. What would it be worth, right? And at what cost? What price would you have to pay if you didn't go for it? What price would you have to continue to pay, maybe, if you continued to just let life pass you by? What price would you have to pay? At what cost, right? A lot of people, they don't want to put up the money for their dreams. They don't want to spend their hard-earned dollars or their time or their energy into themselves, investing into themselves, which is the best investment, investing in you, right? Even Warren Buffett said that, and he's, one of the top investors of all time, said the best investment you can make is investing in you, yourself, right? Investing in your mind, investing in you, your health, investing in your life, your business acumen, your financial literacy, investing, right? So what would it take? What would it take? Is it going to take a crisis? Is it going to take another hardship? Is it going to take a heart attack for you to start to get more healthy? Is it going to take bankruptcy for you to get financially healthy? Is it going to take, what is it going to take, right? A lot of people don't change until they're motivated, and we're motivated by inspiration or desperation. I pray that you don't let it be desperation, but be inspired to make that change today before you need to, before you're down and out, before you're in a circumstance where you're looking back and you're wishing that you spent all that time wisely. Use the time that you do have available, for there's no such thing as time management. Everybody gets the same 24 hours, but there's such a thing as priority management. If you say that you don't have enough time to do something, basically all we're saying is, it's just not that important. I just don't want to, So there's no such thing as having no such time, right? Time is man-made. It's a man-made thing. We made it up. Time doesn't really exist, right? So in order to have time, you must make time. You have to create it. It's something you make. So make the time, my friend. Even if it takes 30 days, 60 days, 90 days for you to have that breakthrough, wouldn't it be worth it if you could say for the rest of your life, you're good, your family is good, you're set, all the work that you put in was worth it? Ask yourself that question. Check out the new opportunity that has come in. This new opportunity has been TextBot AI. You'll check a link down there in the description for this, and it's doing wonders. It's doing wonders not only for me, but for other people who are investing in themselves and in the opportunity that is affording many people to be able to leave their jobs, to be able to leave their situations or circumstances that has them down, to start looking up to a positive outcome, a positive future. Click the link down below for more information, or just call the number to see how you can get in on the action. Start making $100 commissions every single day. That number is 551-299-8357. That's 551-299-8357. Call today and check it out, my friend. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay blessed.